How to verify Bitcoin in Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can verify Bitcoin on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To verify Bitcoin on Cash App, you just go ahead and then open up Cash App over here, and once you launch Cash App you will be able to see this type of interface over here. Now from here what you basically need to do is you need to go ahead and then actually come to the home tab that you can find here. Once you're on the home tab, just go to the Bitcoin tab. One thing I want you to understand here is that you don't verify Bitcoin. What you do is you verify your Cash App account, which will help you to enable Bitcoin. So once you have done this, you can just tap on the buy Bitcoin option that you can find here. Enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you want to buy. Whenever you're trying to buy that, it will basically give you an option to go ahead and then verify your details. So here you have to enter your phone number if you haven't already done so, or you have to enter the legal name and the addresses based on your legal details. Give them a document, Cash App will verify it, and your Bitcoin will also get verified. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically verify Bitcoin on Cash App. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.